I need an award. Some sort of award needs to be created for me to complete this house in the state that I was in when I was pregnant. It was no joke. So I was actually in a very long meeting from 9, which was supposed to end at 5. We took a break in the middle, and I've checked my phone, and I'm getting all these random messages from people congratulating me. So I'm thinking, I was like, I'm definitely not pregnant again. What is going on? And Manasvi, who has also been part of this project with us, sent me a screenshot of the cover of Elle Decor, and I just lost it. The feeling that I got was it was extremely humbling. I was very grateful. I was kind of beaming with joy. So it felt really, really good. Well, a lot of memories, but I think a thing that is a constant for me even today is, the visual that you have when you are landing into Goa. I think that for me is like a permanent frame that's been kind of just frozen in time. I think what draws me to Goa is the green, the sense of openness, the air, and actually seeing green every single day. Like it's completely changed my psychology. Don't settle for anything but perfection. And this sentence comes with a double-edged sword because people love it and also are silently murdering me in their heads. My superpower would make sure that the design that I have for a space, I snap my fingers and it completely visualizes within 5 seconds, so I don't have to deal with contractors, vendors, issues on site. I think from a design sensibility, I think that's what it would be. Okay, the one that I feel I can share because it's personal to me and not with others is the fact that I was a whale on site. I was 8.5 months pregnant when I was setting up the site. For those who know me, I just delivered twin boys a year and a half ago. So the size that I was then, what I usually am, was very different. So I would be shuffling around the site, being threatened that if I go up one more flight of stairs, they'll throw me out of the site. There was talk of even drones going up to the second floor so I could have ears and eyes on site but not have to actually walk up. So I think that for me is a memory that will always be with me. I'm a big hoarder. So I collect and then I collect and then I collect on top of that. And then I've reached so much that I don't know what to do with it. So I collect a little bit of art and I collect a lot of plants. So yeah, these are the two things that I'm presently obsessed with. I like the option of having it. So that's why I've settled into Goa, because I can choose every day of how hectic I want to be. I just came from Africa. I was there for 3 weeks. I went with my kids, my husband. We have a home there actually. So it's in a conservancy. I was there for 3 weeks. Best time of my life. I'm gonna actually pull a title of a movie that currently exists because it personifies me and the hecticness that is Anjali. Everything, everywhere, all the time. If I could clone myself, I would have done it like maybe 20 years ago. But I have this propensity to do a lot at once. The list is endless. But I think that embodies me.